Welcome to Learning Python, and in this episode, you're going to learn how to clean your folder. So, to start off right away, I have this main.py, and we're going to place it outside of this downloads folder. Look at this complete mess over here. We got JPEGs, PNGs, zips, and PDFs. So let's have Python automate and clean this up just for us. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to import OS, and then import Shootil. OS is going to allow us to access these files. Shootil will allow us to, move around these files. So the first thing I want to do is for file in os.listdir, and then downloads. Essentially what that's going to let us do is, we're going to be looping through all the files in the downloads folder. Let's go down here, and then we need to find the extension of this file. So we're going to extension equal to file.split. Tell you what this says in a moment. Essentially what we're doing, if you have like a file like combined pdf.pdf, it'll split combined PDF and then PDF extension, and we'll find the last value in the list because they split it, and we'll get the extension. So it's pretty simple, nothing too bad. Next, we'll find a destination for this. So it can be os .path.join, and then folder extension. Not folder, it needs to be our downloads. I mean, we should probably create a variable, but I don't really care. And then os.makeDirs, destination, and then exist okay is equal to true. So, if you have multiple, let's say you make a folder called PNG, and if there's one more PNG, it won't create a new one. So just remember that. And then our final line actually is shootil.move, os.path.join, downloads file, and then os.path.join, destination file. And now what this should theoretically do is should clean up everything here, make everything look a lot better. So let's do Python in our terminal main.py. Little typo there. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and fix that. And as you can see, in a blink of an eye, you see JPEGs organized there. PNG, you've got one of them over here. PDFs, here, zip files. And essentially you could just do it with any folder. Like if you want to clean up another folder, just take this main.py, place it outside. Replace all of this. You can replace with a variable if you want to. Just replace all of these with the name of your folder, and that's it. So I hope you enjoy. I hope this makes your life a lot easier, and I'll see you in the next one.